This is Retirement News Online. While Medicare can be an invaluable resource for retirees, however, the program was designed to cover acute medical needs and short-term care, not the kind of extended support often required in long-term care situations. This raises an important question. What long-term care does Medicare cover, and what options are available to help pay for what it doesn't cover? Joining me is Stephen Smith with Elevate Insurance Advocates in Phoenix, Arizona. So Stephen, what long-term care does Medicare cover?
Well, Medicare really doesn't cover long-term care at all. Medicare covers skilled nursing facilities. It does cover some coverage in the home when you need the coverage in the home, but it does not provide long-term care type services at all.
So is LTC insurance a good idea? Is that the best idea?
Long-term care insurance is a fantastic option if you can afford long-term care insurance. Long-term care over the years have gotten quite expensive, so there are alternatives out there available at a lower cost that may be a good option for you.
What other options are there?
Well, the options for long-term care is short-term home health care. It provides you long-term care type benefits in your home for a fraction of the time, for a fraction of the cost. There are also alternatives as riders to insurance policies like life insurance, and there are alternatives through annuities as well.
So why aren't these solutions more well known by people?
Well, that's a great question. So I think the main problem is that a lot of people don't talk about it anymore because they are under the assumption that it is too expensive to acquire. But long-term care insurance has alternatives that are much cheaper and much less expensive with great coverage in your home for a fraction of the cost. So there are alternatives out there that would work well for you.
And then how do you know if you've got the right advisor?
Fantastic question. So I think the main thing that everybody wants to really pay attention to is, are you comfortable with your representative? I am an advocate and I operate under the realm of being an insurance advocate for my clients, and I think that's very important, as well as a number of agents that work for us. And I think that as an advocate, I have your best needs at heart. As long as your insurance agent or specialist has your best needs at heart, that's what's most important.
That's Stephen Smith with Elevate Insurance Advocates in Phoenix, Arizona. This is Retirement News Online.